Good morning, my lovely besties. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday. Today's your birthday. Oh, it is Tuesday here, but it feels very much like a Monday because we had yesterday off, so it sort of is like the Monday for the week. But it was a lovely Labor Day weekend. Honestly, our whole last week was so much fun. We're so spoiled. We had like that Dodger game with the amazing tickets, then we were in San Francisco, and then we got back and immediately jumped into a long weekend. Like, we were really spoiled the last like 8 days. And now it's back to real life. Womp, womp, womp. But luckily, my to-do list isn't too bad today. Shockingly small. I feel like I must be missing something. And I'm making really good progress in it right now. I'm working on one little project now, but I actually think I'm gonna put that on hold and work on editing a vlog because I want to get that done before lunchtime. Connor's at the office today. He had to go in for a demo, so I'm not sure when he'll be back. I don't know if he's working there or coming back home, or just not sure. But I'm just going to plop down here and work on some editing in the meantime. It's already 11 a.m. Starting this vlog sort of late, sorry. So probably I'll just check in with you guys when I make lunch because I'm already getting a little bit hungry. So I don't expect it to be a very late one. Literally, there is no better feeling than putting on fresh socks straight out of the dryer. Oh, they feel so nice and warm on my feet. I love it so much. I've been so cold today for some reason. Just folding some laundry here. Actually, I am in desperate need of a closet clean out. So that's gonna be coming later this week to my channel, I think, I believe on Friday. So interested? Lunchtime, and I'm back on my bullshit because of my TJ's run, and I am loving it. Had to make myself my dumplings and broccoli, one of my favorite things, as you know.
Looking good, baby.
I also made a little cucumber salad here. I just used soy sauce, rice vinegar, chili onion crunch, sesame seeds, sesame oil. I think that's it. Yummy. By the way, Con, I folded the laundry that you had in my load and just put it on your side table.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I can't get this open.
Oh, anything?
Here, do you want to try it? Okay, my love, the kitchen is all yours.
Great. Thank you.
Voila, lunch is served. I'm so excited. It has been too long since I've been able to eat this, so definitely about to devour it. Just about to head out on my bike ride. It's only 3:30 right now, but I'm waiting to hear back from my client on something, so I figured might as well get out there, get it over with, and then I'll come back and finish up this last thing for work. But not too bad so far. Been a very productive day. I've been flying through the to-do list, which is nice. And it'll be good to get out on a little bike. It looks like a beautiful day out. Let's see. Yeah, 74 degrees. It's gonna be perfect. Okay, out on my bike ride. I'm not too far in. I just got a work message, so I figured I would stop for a second and show you guys. It's so beautiful out here. I got my trusty bike. We're gonna keep rolling. We are at the beginning, or I guess depending which way you're going, one end of Will Rogers Beach, which is where I have been biking to in the turning round. This is about 4 miles from like the beginning, or where I start on the bike path. So it gives me like about a 8.5-ish mile bike ride, round trip, which is great. So I'm going to turn around now and head back. Back home, showered and in comfy clothes, back to my natural state. So I'm just gonna do my hair now, and then I want to dermaplane my face because I need it. My peach fuzz has really been bugging me lately. I've been putting on makeup. So, but starting with the hair, that's at least the priority. Okay, done with that. Getting speedy with the hair now, it's nice. It only takes me like 6 or 7 minutes. Not so bad. Okay, I'm really tired now, so I don't even feel like doing the microplaning, dermaplaning. I never know what this is actually called. But anyway, I don't really feel like doing it, but it has to be done. I've definitely talked to you guys about this like tons of times, but this is what I use, the Derma Flash. It's lovely. No, doing this will absolutely not make your hair on your face grow back thicker or darker or anything like that. I've been doing it for years. I did not No worries there. Typically you wash your face first, but since I'm fresh out of the shower, I can just dive right in. 2 speeds. I use the faster one, pull my skin a little, and shimmy my way down. It's so satisfying. The amount of peach fuzz that just came off of my face, ugh, so gross. But also lovely to have it off. Leaves your skin feeling so smooth, your makeup goes on and looks amazing. It's wonderful. It's one of my favorite products. Like one of those beauty tools that before you have it, you think like I don't need it, like why? And you don't need it. Obviously you don't need any beauty tool. But if you can get it, I highly recommend you do, because it's really nice. Okay. I'm gonna do like a little bit of skincare now, just to I just like to get some moisturizer on my skin right after doing that. And then, I don't even know what time it is, let's see. 6 o'clock, going to just check in on some work stuff and then relax. I don't really know what the night has in store. So very exciting, you guys. I am about to book some plane tickets to Toronto. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna fill you guys in on the entire updated plan right after I do this. But it's sort of annoying because since I had to cancel my tickets back in August, I need to use the credit that I got from those tickets, and in order to use the credit you have to call them, which is a terrible policy. I have never booked plane tickets over the phone. Like, I don't even know how this is gonna go. It's gonna be interesting, but it has to be done, and we are going to do it right now. Says it's a 43-minute wait time. I hope they offer me like a callback. They're not going to. We have a nice long wait here, so I guess I will fill you guys in now instead of after I book. But the current plan is that Connor and I are going to be going to Canada for Canadian Thanksgiving, which is going to be a lot of fun. So we're going to go in the weekend before. So that's, I believe we're going to fly on like the Friday before and then spend the whole week there, go to Connor's cottage, and we're gonna do Canadian Thanksgiving there, and I'm pretty sure that my parents are actually gonna come and join us, which will be really fun. I don't think that they've ever been to Toronto, so it'll be fun to explore the city with them and also show them the cottage, because I've obviously talked so much about it. So that will be awesome. And then Connor actually has to head out for a business trip right after Canadian Thanksgiving, but I'm going to stick around in Toronto for another week and stay with Tara and just do like a full week of just us, which is going to be so much fun. We seriously already have so many plans, or like Tara does. She's like putting together a full agenda for us, of course. But it's gonna be awesome. I'm really looking forward to it. I really wish I didn't have to call this phone number and sit on hold for 45 minutes to do it, but whatever. I will do what must be done. My neighbor's making so much noise too, just like, why? So that's the update on Canada. I know, not very eventful, but it's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to see Tara's place. I can't wait to see Connor's parents. I haven't seen them for 2 years. I can't wait to go to the cottage. I'm just so excited to be back in Canada. Finally, after so long. This has been so long coming. I seriously feel like I'm not going to believe that it's real until I am there, legitimately. I don't even know if I'm in the right section of Air Canada, to be honest. If I'm on hold all this time for no reason, I'm going to die. I guess I'll just throw something on in the meantime while I wait on this lovely hold. Still on hold. Lovely, but I have my cat and I'm watching the flight attendant here. Well, Canada flights have officially been booked. Woo! And we're doing it, hopefully. I feel like I literally am not gonna believe that I'm allowed into Canada until I'm there, but hopefully it'll be okay this time.
I wonder where that distress comes from.
Yeah, right, it wasn't 2 years of being
yourself up.
pulled around. And now I'm just working on dinner. I'm just gonna make tacos for Connor and I. Or actually, we were out of taco shells, so it's gonna be burritos, but same thing. Shrimp, cherry tomatoes, avocado, bell pepper, you know, basically whatever produce we have in the fridge I shall be using. How many miles did you end up doing, babe?
Today was 13.
Nice.
But it was my fastest time. It's going 14 miles per hour. So
Oh, I love it. Oh, I have to check how fast I was going. I'm not sure. Definitely not 14 miles an hour. Cooking with our new caraway set. This is like my first time really cooking with it. We used this last night, but just to cook rice in, so not very exciting. But I'm excited to use the pan for the first time. I'm gonna have my code for you guys down below if you want to check it out, get a little discount because they are pricey, but I have heard amazing things and we'll see what happens today. I will keep you guys in the loop. So I think I'm gonna get the shrimp going. Have some butter in here, let that melt down. We have so many bell peppers in the freaking fridge. It's insane. This bell pepper is from the farmer's market. Everything from the farmer's market just tastes better. It just does. Oh my god. I'm loving the way it's cooking in this pan already. There's nothing sticking at all. Just beautiful floating on top. Ugh. By that I just mean like the ultimate level of non-stick. Like let me see if I can show you here. Just like everything is loose. That's definitely not the technical term, but I don't care. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Nothing better than a perfect avocado. I'm just thinking about how funny it's gonna be like staying at Tara's house in Toronto. Just because like I've never like stayed at Tara's house before. Obviously we've always lived in the same city and she has a house here so she doesn't stay with me. So it's gonna be very funny just like waking up in the morning together and like I don't know. It's gonna be a time, but I'm very excited for it. It's gonna be so fun. Well, I'm heading to bed nice and early today. It's only like 10:20 right now because tomorrow my client is actually having a big in-person meeting. First in-person meeting since the pandemic. I mean, I've always worked from home, so I've only been to the office once, but it's the first time for everyone else. And they asked me to come in tomorrow, but I have to be there at 8:30 in the morning, so I'm going to be there from 8:30 to 5. It's going to be a big, long day, but a very fun one, so I obviously won't be vlogging tomorrow. Maybe on Thursday, TBD. Very excited to be able to share that Toronto news with you guys. Can't wait to be able to share my time there and to just be there. I'm so pumped. It's gonna be awesome. And thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.